Hi guys, welcome back for the Transformers review, and this time will be the Transformers 1 YOLO Park Cog-less board mode Orion Pax from the AMK 14cm model kit. Alright, and here is the art animated art of Orion Pax. Very well done. I like the packaging, very striking. Okay, it's authentic Transformers product. You have here bonus parts included, which is the jetpack right here. This is for ages 8+, and you can have a look at Orion Pax in packaging. You have a small window, right? And here you have more of Orion Pax, the artwork, right? This is from the movie RC, no, Elita 1, RC, Megatron, Orion Pax, and D6 and Bumblebee. All right, and here at the back, you have B127, which is Bumblebee, his previous name. D16, which is Megatron, Elite 1, which is the same, and Orion Pax will be Optimus Prime. You have 3 classes: Cog-less board mode, Cogged board mode, and final form. Alright, these are the how you assemble them together. Alright, and here is what you see at the back. And also you see some obligatory the remarks below. Alright, let's crack him open and have a closer look what's inside. Right guys, let's crack this box open right now. Okay, it comes with a thank you note from YOLO Park. Okay, it says Facebook information for scan, and this is English, and this is Chinese. And you do have a small booklet here from YOLO Park, Orion Pax, on how to assemble him. Alright, it's pretty well done. Okay, very nicely done. Okay, how you assemble him. Okay, a bit of history of Orion Pax, and also further instructions right here. Alright, and this is what's contained inside the packaging. Alright, let's start cracking and start assembling him together. Alright guys, and I've just assembled Orion Pax. Alright, he comes with flexible articulated hands. Alright, let's move him aside as for now. Okay. He comes with 2 open what do you call it, instruction hands. So it's like this, is just molded. Let me focus in a bit. Alright, it's just molded into one piece, non-articulated, but it's also on the ball joint. Alright, he comes with also his back without the backpack. Basically, when you take this out, when he is in normal mode, alright, and you take this back out and you put the jetpack in, just like that. Alright, he also comes with a open hand concept right here. Okay, so it's also not articulated, just molded into one piece. Alrighty, and let's take a look at the cog, the transformation cog. It also comes in one piece. Alright, it's also movie accurate. Alright, after this, let's look at Orion Pax himself. Okay, this jetpack is a bit loose, it keeps falling out. Okay, I'm just going to focus in on Orion Pax's head. Alright, here's a flexible head. He has a flexible head rotation, 360 degrees. Alright, take a look at his head as well. It's actually well sculpted. Okay, from his eyes, from his smile, all the way to the back. Okay, look at his shoulders. It's basically in the center. You don't have any cog at all. Right now, in the center, that's where the transformation cog is actually installed. Okay, and here's a jetpack. It's kind of movie accurate. Let's take this jetpack apart and take a closer look at it. Alright, it is very accurate to the T. Okay, really nicely designed or sculpted as well. Right, and as for robot mode, we will just put in the basic back of Orion Pax. Alright, and for his hands, the articulation, you can rotate a full 360, a full flexible rotation. He has also able to turn 180, turn around right here. And he also has leg curls on the leg right here. The leg is on a ball joint right there and there. The leg can kick up and down, or basically this sideways as well. And also for the legs, you can basically turn around 70-degree angle, just like that. Alright, let's take a look at the chest piece. Alright, the effort that's been put into sculpt Orion Pax from Yellow Park. Alright, this is a nice sculpting. Okay, the pipes are small because it's not become what do you call that, Optimus Prime yet. Okay, so for his shoulders, you can rotate it up a bit, just like this. You can raise the this part right here all the way out, so you can get a much more good rotation on that. Okay, and also the feet can rotate left and right, and we go from here. After that, let's look at the biceps. You can rotate it this way or spin it around. You can basically bend on the elbow, and so also you can also swivel the fisted hands. Okay, and sometimes it does pop out off and on. You just need to pack it back in. Sometimes it's a bit loose on certain, I think for my copy it's a bit loose as well on my end. Okay, however, the joints are quite tight on mine. Sometimes you do get a good posing. Okay, just like you see, he's getting ready for battle. So a nice pose, boxing pose right there. So I do like the AMK series from Europa. I think it's well done. This is the first form of basically Orion Pax or / Optimus Prime. You also can definitely rotate this part a bit on this end, and also it just can kick there, and also the knee bends also at a slightly 90-degree angle. All right, let's get him to pose, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, let's look at the pose of Orion Pax. So it's kind of a nice, you can get him to many different poses like this, or in a running pose, just like this. And you also can pose him just like this, running. Okay, I think the AMK series is a home run, basically. Just very nicely done. Alright, and this is the end of the review. And if you do like the review, click on the subscribe button below, and I'll bring you more reviews in the future. Cheers, bye!